Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about s equals to the square root of number 7 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 7 tan t square number 7. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds we have the square root of number 7 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 7 tan t square. Number 7, we can do about factorization. So this one we have secant of t square. The square root of number 7 secant of t square, you got about secant of t. Now we need to simplify the square root of number 7 secant of t on numerator and denominator. So the integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and then we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 7. And then you got about t equals to r tan of this one. So we need to change t into this one. So we know that tan of r tan, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.